This is a disaster. Well, guys.
It's weird.
Switch with me, then you'll be up and you can do my makeup. Do you want me on the inside?
Do you like being on the right side?
I like being on the outside.
Okay. Give me this back. Okay, yeah, right there. Yeah. Hi guys, we're back. This week was really stressful, but I have my best friend Caitlin here with me. Today we are going to do probably a 20 question.
We have failed miserably trying to find out what to do, where to sit.
Today we're going to try to do our 20 questions. This is Caitlin. She's down here from North Carolina.
Hi guys.
And she's staying for a few weeks and I'm so excited. And we are going to hopefully make more videos in the future.
I mean, we may make it through like 5 questions. And we still gotta go to Walmart.
We went to Walmart the other day and we got a squirrel with a graduation hat.
We definitely thought it was a cat.
Yeah. Beauty blender, and it's just a cute idea. Love that for us. Today we're gonna start off. We're gonna use our toner.
That's definitely witch hazel.
See, there's a little bit of makeup on there. See? And we was in the woods riding a 4-wheeler and stuff like that.
Y'all, I got to hold a motherfucking hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Shut up.
Okay, now you can use our Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream.
You just poked me in the eye.
Now rub that in. Now we're gonna go in with our Olay. You guys know what this is, the Olay Active Hydrating. So how do you feel about my video process so far? Is it awkward?
It's just a little weird. I'm not used to.
I know.
I feel like I'm talking to myself.
The wig's falling. You ready? Don't squinch.
I can't help it.
I need a fan.
Listen, we could have had one from Japan, but Joe is failing us.
Joe from Japan! We're gonna do our 20 questions. I guess we should ask our first question while we're still prepping.
Alright, Kaden. Have you ever wet the bed?
Well, one time at my nanny's house.
We came here for vacation and that
Yeah.
happened. He was 19, Kaden.
Oh god, we were grown. We each had our own twin bed and I peed in mine and I never told her. And it was so embarrassing.
You ever wet the bed?
I mean, being a child, I have.
What about the bed?
No, my ex-husband has though.
So we're gonna use our E.L.F. poreless putty primer. I don't know what your primary is though. I just know where mine are.
Jupiter.
Cover her up. What this does, guys, is fills in all the pores and adds a little bit of a barrier between your skin and all your makeup. I have holes. You don't have holes like I have. It's okay. We love holes. I kind of want to use the blur stick, but you're really dark.
I'm not really dark. That is really dark.
And this has dimethicone in it to where it helps fills in more pores. Oh god. Okay, we're just gonna blend that in. And this is just to create a shadow underneath the makeup, hopefully. I've had this foundation, the Dewy Smooth, the 120. It's classic ivory. It's way too light for me. Caitlin likes it, and it works good for her skin type. We both have dry skin. We both have really fucking weird skin in different ways.
Yeah.
We have to go out after this, so I have to do a good job. You want to need a color
Plumber.
corrector? You don't need color corrector. Let me see.
Not really. You want to use it anyways?
Yeah.
Don't you? I feel like I look like a raccoon.
Look. We're not mic'd. Oh my god.
Ow!
Oh, sorry.
You said have fun filming. We're trying.
Alright, let's not mess up our angle.
Okay, we've been trying to figure this out for a week.
I know. Now we have a mic. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, that was a little awkward looking.
We'll just start out with that much. That way we don't go overkill on it. Can't bake a cake today. We have to go out in public. It's gonna be cute. Let's take this like this on my little glass thing. Love that.
No going back now.
No going back now. Guys,
Yours always looks orange. I know, my nose crease is hard.
Yeah, it does. It does.
So hard. Okay, go ahead and punch out my jugular right here.
Cute. You like the Tarte, right?
I like the Tarte.
This is shade light medium honey. It might be a little dark for her skin tone, but oh well. I like to dab it instead of rub it because it really doesn't mix with your other makeup as much, I guess. So let's poke this eye out a little bit more. There we go. She's looking cute. Yeah.
Bitch, if y'all got eczema and dry skin, use some coconut oil.
Before we go in with powders and stuff, we're gonna do a little bit of a cream contour.
I look like I ain't got no lips.
She has She has Jeffree Star lipstick. Today we're using the E.L.F. Cream Contour Palette. Like always, you guys know I love this. Love it.
I hope you use a light shade on me, not the hella dark
Okay,
one.
we'll use the lighter shade.
Bitch, I need the white one.
Yeah. See what happens.
Pray for me.
This cream really blends in nicely. It's not too shitty. Look straight though, the camera can see. I like to go higher than lower because if you do it too low, you'll have like a long face. It'll be way down here, so you want to kind of lift it up a little bit. There's a 5-foot rule. Bitch, you come within 5 feet, you might see some creases and some cracks. And some...
We was really slacking on this.
Ah!
Bless
questions. We have questions. Beer or wine? Do you like beer or wine?
I like both. I prefer wine though, but I don't like to get wine drunk because those are the worst hangovers. Lord.
And it quit filling.
Are you drunk? No, but I wish I was.
Clear, translucent white one, right?
Probably. I like that one.
Okay, look up. Does it ever get in your eye?
Yes, all the time.
It's so aggravating.
I stab myself with some sort of makeup at least once a day.
Oh, we can do your nose. You said it creases a lot. Cute. We're baked. You don't have forehead creases either. I hate you.
Wow, everything's all white and snowy.
It's getting hot in here, isn't it? Oh, you are baked, sister. Oh, I didn't do your eyebrows. Oh, no.
My leg fell asleep.
It's very cramped. Can we see? That's cute. Look at the camera. Oh, we've been friends since like middle of high school.
I know it's been like what, 10? Yeah, probably about 10 years.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Not 9, not 11, but 10.
It's our 10-year anniversary!
Yay!
Okay, let's wipe the bake off a little bit around.
With your new brush?
With my new brush. It's just an e.l.f. brush, but it's a brush nonetheless. I wanted a Morphe one, but they were all out. It's big, but it's precise because it fans out.
Cooper!
We'll prime with our Tarte. I have actual eyelid primer, but we can just use Tarte because it's healthier for your skin anyways, I'm sure. I don't know what's in the other one.
Do you know what's in this?
Sure don't. This is cute. This is turning out fresh.
Hey, you got my little hair sticking up.
I'm sorry.
Today we're going to... We're going to use our butter bronzer. I love this stuff.
Smells like coconut.
It smells like vacation. Oh, next question. Are you a flirt? I know you're a flirt.
I can't help it that everything I say is smoother than cream cheese on a bagel.
Oh, wow. That was a lot of bronzer. This is cute, though. Your skin looks good. I love this. You're not cakey. It keeps everything down. I know. We so ghetto.
Talk to animals.
I literally talk to my animals like day and night.
That's all there is to it.
Y'all should have seen me earlier with these hedgehogs and bunny and fishy. Oh yeah, I have pictures.
Right
here.
here. I ordered some Hendayan glitter liquid eyeliner off of Amazon. I'm gonna let her pick whatever color she wants, and then she is going to put it on her eye. Or I'm going to put it on her eye for her.
Be like, bitch, I can't do that.
This is why I don't smoke before I do my intros, because I could never get them out of my What color? Today we are using our James Charles palette. Ding, ding, ding. I have followers like Keandra Lifestyle. Keandra girl, boo. I'm so lame. I'm sorry, Keandra.
I see you though, girl.
I made her subscribe to you. Wait, did you subscribe yet?
You didn't tell me about her till just now.
I'm sorry, Keandra.
I will follow you on YouTube.
Yes, subscribe to her on YouTube. It really helps us YouTubers out when you guys like our videos because it shows YouTube that we're getting hits and it makes our video better.
You are really about to stab me with that motherfucking brush. Remember, out in public.
We're gonna use our natural nude section right here. We'll probably get into some of this or some of that.
Natural nude section goes down to the pit.
Code James.
That's the one.
Wait, I need my puff. Come here, puff. Code James. I'm just gonna very lightly go in here. Wait a minute, hold on. Ain't spreading right. Oh god, that was a good one. Now we got some moisture. I'm gonna do a lift. I'll lift right here. It's hard to reach this side. I need to be facing you probably. It's okay.
You are facing me.
Well, my body's kind of contorted. Oh shit, we're out of focus. Oh, fuck.
Sorry guys, I'm small.
We are going to go in with a little bit of a darker shade. I'm gonna get a more stiff brush to kind of get in there. We're gonna go in with 10% off just to darken that up.
I think I've used black with this brush before.
Wow, I've never blended with my hand upside down. Barely go into no beans. Barely.
Love that for you. He's not this peppy in person.
I have to be energetic. I don't like when people are mean to me.
Hungry 24/7. Yes, but I don't eat 24/7.
I feel like I get really cranky if I don't eat. Like it's
That's why you get fat when you quit smoking.
I'm cutting her crease.
And that's the tea for today.
Lift your eyebrows. Oh yeah. Look at the camera.
Always happy. Bitch, no, I'm not always happy. I'm a sad, depressed bitch right now.
We're doing like a champagne.
That's good to open my eye. Say hi.
Hey.
What's up? You froze.
Oh.
Too much. I have confidence.
You got this. I got faith in you.
Thanks. Hold on to it. Oh, it got real thick. The lashes are for. It's thick.
Man, it made my eyeball look real tiny compared to this one.
Just chill, man. Just chill. Almost use your head to pat the front. It's not.
These bitches are disgusting.
Maybe I should at least put on your own mascara.
Do you want me to?
Yeah. There's a lot of lash glue.
But if they don't fit on my eye.
Oh, bitch, they gonna fit because we got shit to cover. Open your eye. Close your eye.
Wow, these are hard to see with. Oh, wow. Wow. It looks a lot better on camera. These people gonna think I'm beautiful. Fly like a bird.
Oh boy.
Cooper, I'm done tried to get you to come in this room with us and you didn't want to. Oh, trust me, brush is wet. I can feel it. Oh, that's the bronzer brush. I can smell it. I look like a drag queen with this color.
I think we've been filming for like 2 hours.
At least.
Hopefully we'll have a video again for you guys next week. It was really stressful trying to get to the video. Now that we did the video, it was fun. Now my butt hurts and I'm tired.
Over glammed up to go to Walmart. 5 foot rule.
Hit that like button if you like this video. Remember to subscribe.
Listen, do not just subscribe. That little bell that is there, click the bell. Turn his notifications on. When he posts a new video, you will get the notification for it. You can be the first one to watch it.
Yay! Oh,
Bye.
good night. Bye.